Hey guys, we're here on our way with a good friend of mine, Christopher, and we just pulled off the highway here just to give you an idea. Doing a pan shoot, and why I've stopped on the side of the highway is it started harvest time. You're looking at one of the many of hundreds of miles of rice fields, and it's time to start harvesting. So I'm gonna zoom in, and each of those is a 120-pound bag of rice, and that's what all the chaos is. They're starting the harvest, and they naturally bring this in from the fields, and you're getting to see all the chaos. It's like a fire drill, so to speak, and they're going to start loading trucks with rice right off the highway. That's how they do it here in the DR. Very natural. There's my buddy Chris, who's totally impressed with this, and you're going to see coming into the foreground, I'm going to zoom in, and you're going to start to see how they bring them in. They start to bring them in. You'll see the donkeys and horses bringing in the rice, bales at a time. This is how it's done, folks. I know it's primitive, but my God, is it sustainable. 120 pounds each bag, and you see them, look at them. 8 hours a day, those guys will be lifting those bags like it's nothing. 8 hours a day from one to another. So I hope you enjoy. This is the natural way of things doing here. We're heading on our way to Las Terrenas with my buddy Christopher. Gonna enjoy the day, have a little fruit and chicken. Leanne is with us, and this is the idea. Flatbed after flatbed will be coming in. Okay, hope you appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon. This is Barry out.